your fans happy? What?
Nothing. The microphone is very sensitive, and I think it picks everything up, including that noise. Right. We're live again, and yeah. Oh, I need music. Wait a second, I need music. Not doing this in silence. Every time I'm trying to change the Twitch stream name, so you can give it a name somewhere on the app. Stream manager. Now I hear myself. Horrible. Okay, right. We're gonna do this. How to name your tweet. Right, so stream manager and edit stream info set title. I just don't see edit stream info. Stream manager. Oh. Stream info. There we go. Yes, run it. Stream. 5. Oh, software. Okay, let's go. This is done now. Let's make a string 5 to do. String 6. Now, that's okay. Sure. Great. I can't see the chat, it's too small. I need to use it on my phone. It's just coding, I'm not playing tonight. Should I start playing games instead of coding? Are you saying that my programming is that shit? Okay. Thank you. I'm trying, but I'm hardly doing anything right now. By the way, it's red for Chinese New Year. Really like this top. It's a really nice red top, right? Right. Ports. We need 443. 443. NGX services backend. Oh, wait. Never done it this way, using NGX. This is interesting. Look on host. Oh, I'm not even running the backend. Am I on 8080? Think. don't think this is right. Well, that wasn't as hard as I thought. But it says not sure. Ah. Certificate. Let's try. Mm-hmm. Oh, Didi is on. Hello. Well, I didn't sort my light. It just stays on today. And I'm okay with that. Right. Insomnia. Icons. Preferences. Preferences. Request response. Request response. Credentials. Click on the clock. I go second applicable channel request response tab. Please certificate. Okay, let's try again. Preferences. Credential. Channel. Uncheck please certificate. Oh, okay. Oh no, I'm not muted. I just I'm sad. I'm not making this work. Hey, welcome. Amelia Jax. I guess this is how I say it. Yeah. I'm just trying to make this work in HTTPS with insomnia. Nothing fancy here. Everything is great. Apart from despair. No, I'm joking. Right, so I'm making this cool app. I can show some front end actually. I didn't show this one yet. Where is my Xcode? Oh, right. Thank you. We're now on 80. That's why it's not working. Ah, of course. Of course. Which port am I using? Uh, 80, not 80. Where's my simulator? Right, so this is the app I'm trying to make. This is a very basic front end, just to give context. The idea is just to send yourself an email to the future. So, like me at Gmail. Can I type? Oh, yeah, I can. Sending to future me. Come. My sound is low. Okay. Where is it? Where is OBS? I can also turn this upside down. Okay. Is it any better? And one thing at a time. Why is this actual plot of Steins Gate? What? Oh, sending message to the future. Yeah, well, I'm not sending them to the past. I'm not using a microwave, but yeah. Is the sound any better, by the way? I just moved the microphone and then turn it around. Sending to future, not to past. And we send it to Thursday. And schedule message. That's how it's supposed to be. Now, it's not connected to the backend, so we're not having anything. But this is a very basic. How long have I been programming? Some people would say never because I'm shit, but I would say I've been programming for like 3 to 4 years. Right. But now, really good point. The fact that I'm using the wrong port. I should be on this one, right? I think it's because I'm tired. Today is not. I like it more. Not found. Well, my expertise, I prefer to do stuff in languages that I like, so I'm doing Java stuff, and then Swift iOS. So the front end would be done here in Xcode. But that's just because personal preference. It's not necessarily expertise. It's just because I like it. Any project I've done before, most of them for school, not really stuff that I've deployed. I'm really trying to start deploying stuff now. That's the idea. I will make a couple of stuff and actually deploy them. And that's why I'm trying to make it run on HTTPS and I'm trying to make it actually kind of good. I can show something I've done before, but this is my little just I was bored one day and This is actually hosted on live if you wanna play with it. You mean HRM? I don't know what HRM is, I'm afraid. But yeah, like what you've seen on the screen is my little Pong tournament website that I did. And it's live. HRM. HRM meaning. Yeah, it doesn't help me, does it? Right. Mm-hmm. I am getting a 404. Okay. Internal server error. Okay. Remove the training slash from ngx. No, it's already done. It's fine. Okay. Okay, that's good. Does this work? Yes. Oh yeah, right. I add an extra user ID and then I forgot that I need to change database. I may I'm creative professional to Oh, one Laravel developer. That's disgusting. I'm sorry. Why would you do that to people? Why would you make them use PHP? Okay, cool. But are you also a developer or you just creative professional? Software agency. Okay. It's really cool. How did you... let me answer. How did... Right, let's fix that. User ID. Alter table schedule message add column user ID begin scheduled message. Better. When is this gonna work now? Yes. Right, we're running on HTTPS. Website developer in what? JavaScript? So we're gonna design animation. Designing animation. Okay, that's cool. I know nothing about animation. I don't know much I know about design. But we have it running on HTTPS, so now I just need to update all my endpoints here. Slash and this one slash, but then to do add user ID. Oh, we can't actually make it work anymore. Get all messages is already done, and then this one localhost done. All right. I need some water. 1 second. All right. Well, I feel like this is as good as it gets today. Okay, so we're gonna just commit, and then for next time, I will definitely connect to the basic front end I have, and then we can actually do some front end work for next time, like Swift. It actually gives a little bit more context of what we're doing, I guess. But this was easier than I thought. I didn't encounter any cost policy issue. Surprise, surprise. But I also did it in a way that I never done it before. Right, commit. I don't want to commit the certificates, okay. HTTPS now working. Yeah, but Swift is cool. Flask.io. What's wrong with Swift? I think it's very nice. I was having a conversation with someone over the weekend where I was saying that I start a job as Swift developer next week. And I was like, I don't know. And the guy was like, well, Swift is hardly a first front-end programming language. He said I would be fine. I am concerned. I started my first job in 2020 working with the position. I understand so much what you mean, because I don't want to work full-time. But I will from next week. You launch your own business with 10 people on your team. Well done. I kind of want my own business, but with like me. But then I need to do everything. So we will see. Right. We're gonna commit and we're gonna go. And I'm back here next in 2 days' time on Thursday. Yeah, I love this chat too. Please keep going. So we're actually talking. I was just here by myself, depressed. Not struggling as much as I thought, but let's carry on. Oh, right. I also need to do the single sign-on in Apple and Google. Okay, so we have stuff to do. Chat, any other question? I will hang out if you have questions. If not, I'm gonna commit and kind of make my tea and ready to go to bed. Commit and push. Right, chat. Can I ask? I have no idea. I never deployed anything in my life. I am literally following what Gemini is telling me, because when I had to make something that's running HTTPS before, I did it in a very complicated way, and this is much easier. Easy way to run the server, doing deployment with ngrok CI to save you all this. But I didn't get any headache on this, to be honest. It wasn't that bad. I will see once I get to deployment, because if deployment is bad, let me write down your suggestion. Where's my actual pen? Look at this. This is cute. No, I'm working on my own project, and then next week I'm working full time for a company that does some Swift development, which is totally not related to my own projects. And yeah, I'm trying to do both of them at the same time, working full time. Yes. Where am I from or where I'm living? Because it's two different questions. You can probably tell from all my PC being in Italian that I'm Italian, but I don't live in Italy because portfolio website or something. No, I don't have. I just have my GitHub. There's no portfolio website yet, but I do want to make a website. It's in my to-do list. Maybe next week I could just make my own website. I don't have it yet. So, energy, rock, CI, CLI. Okay, for deployment. Deployment. No. Yeah, I definitely want to make my own website and portfolio. For now, I just have a GitHub. I also don't have that many projects, so it's all a building. It's all work in progress. I think you might be the only person having problem hearing me. I might be wrong. For NG Rock HTTP for just because I'm so strict about it. Well, I don't know how strict Apple is yet because I don't have an Apple development account or anything to actually deploy my apps yet. It's really much work in progress. This is stream 5, and I started this 2 weeks ago. So, websites are very important. Well, to be fair, I just bought a domain. I have it here. This is my website with our website. So, I will make it work. This is great. I normally chill alone here. Yes, I'm actually gonna give you a follow 1 second. So then I actually, where are you? Follow, right? You started development 2 weeks ago. Yeah, I started. No, sorry, I started developing this app 2 weeks ago. I have been developing for 4 years technically, but just cool stuff. Discord server something? Not yet, not yet. This is very much very early on. I have a YouTube where I put the other streams that I did already. I will make a Discord server for sure. Just not yet. It's a little bit too early, and it's just like normally there is hardly anyone in here. So, oh my god, thank you for following. And now I have 10 followers. This is amazing. Yeah. Right. Create pull request. Let's not get distracted. Create pull request. So I have this Git. And that's the only 2 things I've done so far. The Pong tournament I showed briefly earlier. And this one, future message. Pull request. Yeah, I call it UI building and I didn't build an UI. Great. Also, it would be a different repository. Maybe insane it. Okay. It's just not supposed to be called like this. It's supposed to be HTTPS. Confirm merge. And then I have YouTube for people asking your channel, and I have the previous streams. That's it. That's all we have for now. You can follow me on GitHub if you want to. We're done. What I normally do is git check out minus b. How are we gonna call the next one? I have TikTok. Does it help you? TikTok? Or I can definitely make an Instagram. Make it on. Oh, this noise, buddy. Good. Can I paste it in the chat? Chat, interact. It doesn't let me. TikTok.com/ what was it? Oh. So I stream on Tuesday and Thursday evenings. Well, evening for me, which is around 8 p.m. Central European time. Well, Amelia, I'll be here in 2 days' time, and I can just make an Instagram by then so we can keep in touch. What am I gonna call the next one? Stream 6 to be named. I have no idea how to call it. So we're gonna go like this. Because there was definitely no UI building today, right? Close this one, close this one. We have this one which I need to put on it. Let me. If anyone that's good with Swift want to try and help me out with quite frustrating bug, I do want to, but I also need Swift UI web view. Right, put front end on Git for the next stream. Cool. Well, this was lovely. Thank you for stopping by and chatting. And I'll be here in 2 days' time as well. If you wanna see me again. That's it. I think I'm gonna end it here. And the music in my ear is getting annoying now. Right. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye. Wow, people actually stopped by today. This was great. I think it's because I actually named the stream on TikTok. On TikTok, yeah, on Twitch.